Hi friends, today topic is Google Tag Manager. Let's understand what is Google Tag Manager. What is Google Tag Manager? How to set up Google Tag Manager? What is the code which we need to set up from Google Tag Manager and what is tag variable trigger in Google Tag Manager. So if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for all the digital videos, all the technical details you will be getting on this video. Also, you can communicate with me whenever you want to. Let's begin. What is Google Tag Manager? Google Tag Manager, let's say if you have a website. On the website, if you want to track different button or what is the activity happening on your website, so you track it with the help of code which we place it on our website. Also, you will implement a Google Analytics code which will be helping you to track multiple other things. This analytics code you will be putting on the website, and then you can track different informations like page views, scroll, page speed, user location, all the detailed metrics you will be getting of your website from GA4, that is Google Analytics. Now, Google Tag Manager is a middleman. What it does is it says, boss, just take one code of Google Tag Manager and place it on your website. Once you place that code on the website, I can help you to place multiple other code from Tag Manager itself. I will show you an example how the Tag Manager can be used to place multiple websites. You can put form submission code, page views code, app download, button clicks. All these codes can be implemented with Google Tag Manager. You don't have to do to and fro with the developer. And then the Google Tag Manager container will show you all the details and tag assistance. Also, it has a different code where you will be getting an error. If there is some error, it will show you an error that to fix this code. And when we are doing advertising by your own, we can put all the code of Google Tag Manager. So let's check out the Google Tag Manager importance. Now, Google Tag Manager, why it is important is, let's say you have a website for different places you want to put a code. All this code you will be putting the code, and then you will be sending this to the developer. Developer will every time put single code, like say button click, submit button, phone number, any activity event you do. So to and fro, lot of to and fro you have to do with the developer. That is very time consuming. So you can stop the to and fro with the developer and implement it with the GTM. Convenient data tracking in one place, as you will be putting multiple code from GTM. Also, the other feature here is it is a very secure, as it's a Google property. So Google Tag Manager is a Google property, and it's very easy to manage all the tags in one place. That is the best quality. So do you just implement that one code and everything will be done here. Now we will go on google.com. We will be typing Google Tag Manager. Once we click on Google Tag Manager, you can see different type of container which I have created. You can create your own account. Once you go, it's a completely new account. So you will put your website name. You will select the country. Once you select the country, you can put the domain. If it is a website, you will put a website. If it is an app, you can also put an app. I am putting in website, and I'm just creating. Once you create it, you just have to accept the service agreement here. You just say accept, then yes. Now you can see this code. So this code is what exactly we have to put it on our website. If you are managing your website, you can directly put the code. If your developer is managing the website, the developer will put the code. We will paste this code in the header section of your website. Header section, you will easily get it in your backend. By just pressing Control U, you will get to see all the detail related to the code. You can type your header. Now you will get the header section where you can put the code easily. Also, there will be a body where you can put the other code in the body section. If you want to understand if the GTM code is implemented on the site, you can just simply type GTM, and you can see that the GTM code is already implemented on that site. So that means they are also using GTM code here to handle the multiple codes scenario. Now let's start GTM with an example. This is the GTM dashboard which you can see, which I just now created. Here there is an option called as a tag, trigger, variable. We will be mainly dealing with the tag section right now. Also, you can create multiple trigger, whatever your objective is. Like it's a thank you page, like it's a all page visit, it's a app download event. Multiple event can be created. Now I clicked on the tag section. I have created a new. I will name the tag whatever your tag is. It's a Google ad tags, it's a Facebook ad tag. Now I will go here. You can see multiple vendors are here. All these vendors you can directly select and you can create the ad. Now I'm clicking on the Google ad section. I will be taking as a conversion tracking for now because I want to show you how the thank you page has been tracked. I will select the conversion tracking here. We can also select remarketing if you want to, and other options. Now conversion tracking, once I click it, I will be putting an ID and label which I will get it from the code which we will be creating in Google Ads, and that code ID and label we will be putting. Then we will be putting the trigger. Now what is trigger here is, if let's say people visiting on my thank you page, I will be creating a thank you page trigger here. Someone who come on my website and click on thank you page, I want to track it in my GTM, so I will take it. Page URL contains XYZ thank you page, or whatever the last page will be. Like people will be coming on that last page, it will be converting as a conversion. That conversion we can see in the Google dashboard when we will be running an ad. If you will not do this, you will not be understanding how many conversion you got it. So basically this way we have selected the trigger. Then we just have to save this, okay, and publish this. Once this is published, that means this code is being implemented on your website. If you want to select a Facebook ad, a code, you will be selecting a custom ad because Facebook option is not given in Google Tag Manager. So custom HTML you will be selecting, and then you will be clicking on the submit button. You will see all the trigger in this thank you, all page code, app download, multiple trigger. Whatever trigger you want to create, you can create. Page views, how many people came on my website, and page viewed. So all this page view codes also we can trigger with the help of the variable. Here variable is section is something which, let's say I don't have a landing page where thank you page will come, or let's say I don't have a thank you page. That case may someone click on the button submit. So click text button, whatever the name will be given in the backend, you can check it. You can go on the website, click on inspect, and then you will get the button detail which you can implement it in the variable. So variable is important for that. Now let's set up for the conversion code. As I said, we just saw how the tag has been implemented. We just came on the Google dashboard, click on tools, summary, now new code. We will be implementing a website. You can take any website or you have your own website. Just click on this website option. The first option, that is a website. Here you will be putting the URL because this was not mandatory. Now Google has implemented this. We will be putting the website, save and continue, manually creating it. When you will be creating manually, just select lead form, then name the conversion code, whatever the name is, and then here do not assign any value, and then count every time, one time. Multiple user can be counted multiple time. That is why I don't want duplicacy, so I will take one. When I'm taking one, I don't want to get into this detail because we are learning right now Google Tag Manager, not the Google conversion tracking. Still, we just done. We have saved the code. When we will save the code in the setting option, or directly once it's done, you can see that Google Tag Manager email the code or manually implement the code like developer will implement. So we have already implemented the container. We will select Google Tag Manager. We will be taking this ID and label. This ID and label we can implement it on our website. Here we will go in the tag manager and we will put that ID and label and the trigger like thank you page and publish this code. Then this code will be implemented on our website. Same we can do it for remarketing also. So I hope this has clear. I'm just putting the ID, I'm just putting the label, and then I'll select the trigger. I'll say thank you. Then we will save this. Now we will test the code. So to test the code, we will go on the google.com and type Google Tag Assistant. Now Google Tag Assistant is a completely free plugin which is to test the code if that code is firing properly or not of Google or whichever code we will implement. Now we will add that plugin. Now this plugin is already added in my extension. So I will just go here and just select the domain. Randomly I've just clicked on this website. I just went on that website. I click on the Tag Assistant Chrome extension. I clicked on the extension and I can see on this website which all codes are implemented. I can see Google conversion code is there, analytics code is there, GTM is already implemented on this. With the help of this assistant, we understood that all this code has been already placed on the site. When you click on the code, you will easily understand that what is the conversion ID, conversion label. I'm just filling the lead right now. I filled the lead. I came on the thank you page. Now my tag assistant will reload. Once I reload my tag assistant, I can see a thank you conversion code getting fired. Previously, it was all page conversion code which is getting fired.
So this was all about Google Tag Manager. Subscribe now for more digital videos.